So we're back here at the premier Samgyupsal, one of the best Samgyupsal here in the metro. Look at their beef, sweet and peanuts, kimchi. The meat seems to be taking a long time. Woo Samgyup. They do include this, but they replaced the heat source because it was not as hot. They used real charcoal, so the beef smells like grilled smoke. Pork belly, looking right up. Right, our samgyeopsal is almost cooked. Of course, what would be samgyeopsal without rice? Refill of the banchan. Garlic rice. The ano. Let's try the beef with some pepper and sesame oil. Yun. Eat. We can't eat all rice, so let's add some pork here, garlic, kimchi, and let's hold it. Look at that egg. Try this one. This one we're trying out with cheese. Oh yeah. Look at that. This one is kimchi jjigae with cheese. Oh, look at that.